Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the support I had on my last video. It was very unexpected and it meant quite a lot to me, so I got quite a few new subscribers from it, so I was wondering if you guys want a Q&A, leave some questions down below and I'll film a video. If I'm talking quite fast today or if I sound kind of weird, it's because I've got the flu and I've been coughing loads, so I'm trying to talk really quickly between like coughing breaks. Let's get into the septum piercing aftercare. So what I have in this egg cup is boiling hot water and some salt. It has to be like rock salt because the kitchen salt that you use has too much extra chemicals in them, so it can be bad for the piercing. And I've got this cotton bud, and you basically dip it in the water where the salt has dissolved, and then you put it up your nose. If your piercing moves freely like that, it does mean that it's healed. Mine's 2 weeks old now and it has healed. You've just got to rub it along the piercing where it is actually pierced, and then do the other side. It does feel weird, and if your piercing is new or sore, it may tingle a little because of the salt and the hot water and something new. But if you keep doing this, not daily, but once every day, it will heal and it will be like successful like this. It's best to clean your septum with a clean face like I am, because then you don't have any makeup or any bacteria getting stuck inside. The best time to do it is straight after a shower for obvious reasons. And then don't do the obvious things like booping it, twisting it when it's new, or like trying to turn it or anything like that. Once it's healed, like you've seen, it will turn on its own. But yeah, stay spooky.